The Honeywell Allergen Plus Series Compact Tower HEPA Air Purifier is a compact unit that's capable of providing a steady amount of clean and fresh air into your home. This air purifier uses HEPA filtration that helps capture up to 99.97% of microscopic airborne allergens and particles such as dust, pollen, pet dander, dust mite debris, and smoke. The addition of an activated carbon pre-filter helps capture larger airborne particles, maximizing your HEPA filter's life and reducing odors and VOCs. With the additional help of the optional Honeywell Enhanced Odor and VOC Filter T, you can tackle specific household odors and VOCs from pets, kitchens, smoke, or home renovation. This air purifier is independently tested and AHAM verified to circulate and filter room air up to 4.8 times per hour in a 100 square foot room, making it perfect for medium-sized rooms. On the top of the unit, you'll find the easy-to-use touch LED controls. There are 3 cleaning levels to choose from, including Quiet Clean, General Clean, and Pollen, as well as a filter check and filter reset light for the HEPA filter, pre-filter, and optional enhanced filters. For the best performance, it is recommended you replace your HEPA filters once every year, while your pre-filters and enhanced odor and VOC filters every 3 months. With a subscription to the Honeywell filter of your choice at honeywellstore.com, you can take the guesswork out of when you should order a new filter. This way, you'll always have cleaner, fresher air to breathe without the hassle of ordering new filters yourself. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.